In this video, I will show you how to create a new booking. Open the menu. Click New Booking. Enter the client's name. Select the country code if needed. Enter the phone number. Enter the email address. Choose the pickup date, time. Choose the drop-off date, time. Select the pickup and drop-off location. Select the car. Add options like a baby seat or booster if needed. These can have extra charges or be free. You can manage all extras from the price list page. Set the price for the car. You have the option to add a discount. You have the option to add deposit if needed. Here you will see the price with taxes and extras included. Use notes to add details, flight number, room number, deposit, or special requests. Here you can see the price breakdown, the final price, extra charges, deposit, and discount. Click Confirm Booking to finish. After saving, you will be taken to the calendar to see all bookings. In the next video, I will show you how to use the calendar. Thank you for watching.